So starting the test drive in this Honda Accord, this 1.5 liter four-cylinder, now this is a full-size sedan, it's not an SUV, but it just feels so quick as opposed to the one you get in the CR-V. And the one in the CR-V definitely isn't slow, but just behind the wheel of this Accord, I just feel like I'm in a much quicker vehicle. And it's certainly more efficient. I mean, you get 28, 29 miles per gallon city, I think 37 highway with this transmission setup here. And I don't know what it is about Honda, but their CVTs don't bother me as much as the other manufacturer CVTs. I don't know what it is, but they don't bug me, so that is impressive. I'll give them that. Still not as fun to drive as the older 6-speed automatic transmissions, but you can't have everything. And you're definitely getting better fuel economy having the CVT. Yeah, it's fun to put your foot down just a tad and feel that boost. But the overall driving dynamics are very impressive. The car rides well. There's tons of space in here. And you still feel like you're in a vehicle that you can maneuver well. It's not like the steering is overly loose or like it was just slapped together. This car makes sense when you're driving it down the road. Now, I've heard horror stories about the 1.5 Turbo 4, but I haven't experienced that for myself, so it's just something that someone else might want to tell you, because I don't know about reliability or this, that, and the other. I just know that it's fun to drive and the turbocharged four-cylinder is quick. But I'll kind of put my foot down and show you that here in a moment. I mean, it pulls so great. I'll give it a little push here. Yeah, just fantastic power. Now, I'll put the adaptive cruise on here and we'll set it to around 75. I'm gonna push the gap back so that it's keeping that safe distance between myself and the vehicle in front of me. And as you can see, the lane centering technology does a great job at keeping me in the lines. And it's not meant to be a full semi-autonomous system, but it pretty much does the job. But comparing this to a Camry or a Malibu, I just feel like this Accord is one of the more fun options to drive unless you get a V6 Camry, and your fuel economy is very good. And comparing this to the 1.5 Malibu that has a similar powertrain, this just feels more normal as opposed to that Malibu. But this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Honda Accord in the EX trim level.